Hi, in today's video, we're doing an unboxing. What is it? You gotta keep watching. Hi, welcome again to the channel. I am Jill. If this is your first time here, I do home decor, fashion, and lifestyle. If this sounds like something you're interested in, check out some of my other videos, see if you like what I do, and hit that subscribe bell. To all my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. True blue, tight like glue. Hugs and blessings to you. So you guys, now you know I am always on, well, not always. Yeah, I'm on social media quite a bit. And I'm scrolling, minding my own business. I came across something that caught my attention because I saw several people, showing this item. And so I ordered it. Well, you notice my box said Amazon. Even though I've had some TikTok items come through Amazon. But anywho, what I ordered from TikTok is still being packaged, or they playing with it or something. So I ordered a different item. Same thing, but a different, but different. Let's just say it that way. And I wanted to try this one because let's just go and open this box. Let's just open the box. So I haven't opened the box. I did cut it so we didn't have to go through all that. So okay, so it is just one item in here. So, you guys, I got Yara. It's the fragrance that it's just blowing TikTok up, okay? So I'm like, does it smell that good? I need to know. I need to see. When I ordered the one from TikTok, I was reading the notes, and it has some things in it, like it has vanilla in it, and it had something else in it. Anywho, so I'm thinking that might smell kind of sweet. And remember, I'm not a sweet girl, but I still wanted to try it, okay? So they have, let's open this up. Take the paper off. Oh, cute box, cute box. So evidently, people must try to do this because they have their little, what do you call this, hologram? Because if you move it around, it'll show their emblem on it. That's how you know that it's authentic. So I got, see, oh, my glasses, girl. I thought I bought them down here. And let's open it anyway, so you can see. And this is, ooh, I didn't want to tear my box up. Okay, then I tore it a little bit. Wait, this is not the one. Is this, what is it? Oh, so shoot. So you guys, I think I've ordered the same thing. Hold on, let's find my glasses, honey. Let's find my glasses. Okay. So let me, here it is. So this comes in 3 different fragrances. One container is white, like this. There's one that has, I want to say it's like a goldish orangey color, and then there's black. So I still haven't opened this. I was trying to get the one, there was one that's supposed to smell more cleaner than the other. This is not telling me the notes. It's just telling me some of the ingredients, but not really. I don't see anything that says vanilla, so let's see what it smells like, because it's supposed to smell so fabulous. Let's hope my nose is working today. So let's see. I think I smell something. Oh, girl, wait. Wait. Okay, we're gonna give it time to dry down, because right now this is smelling like and this is supposed to be a unisex fragrance, I do believe. Let's see. I was gonna say this is smelling like something my husband might wear. It has a different language and I don't know what it is saying. Okay. Eau de parfum, natural spray. It's not giving me a lot of information on here. So it says keep in a cool, dry place. Avoid, okay, that's common sense. Don't spray it in your eyes. Flammable until dry. That's good to know. Do not use near fire or heat, blah, blah, blah. Then I think it's saying the same thing in different languages. So it's really not telling me. Okay, so now it's changing. So this one has, and I feel like I ordered this from TikTok. I thought I got, maybe I ordered the orange one from TikTok. This one is called Moi. I'm gonna put the other ones over here so that you can see. And this one, okay, you guys, I'll probably end up mixing this with something. This one, there is a strong scent of something citrus. It almost smells like oranges. I wish my husband was home so I could say, smell me. But yes, there's a definite citrus smell. And let's spray a little more. I don't have anything on. So we're gonna see. We're gonna let that dry down. So while it's drying down, honey, let's talk about this weather that's happening everywhere. Everywhere I see that it's in the hundreds. Today is the, I want to say it's the 21st. Our temperature is 97 with the heat index being 100. So let me say this, for my folks that work outside, please, please, please try to stay hydrated. Try to stay as cool as possible. If you can take like a little lunch bag that's insulated, you know, the ones that stays cool or hot. If you have one of those and you can put like cold towels or something in that so you can put it on your neck. I just need you guys to be safe in this heat. We don't want any kind of heat strokes. We don't want any of that. So I don't know why I put it up here like I can smell myself up there. But it really has a citrus. I smell citrus. So everybody was going on and on about how fabulous this fragrance was. I'm trying to figure out if I have the right one. But this, for me, it's okay. It's just okay. It's something that I would, honey, I'm becoming quite the mixologist. This is something that I would mix to create something a little different. But yeah, so I got this on Amazon, and again, it's Moi. The name is, oh wait, where did I just saw it. Oh, the name is on this little thing, and this comes off. I don't think it's supposed to, but it was in the bottom of the box. So I just slid it, and actually I think it goes like this, and then it's moist. So, okay, so that's our product review. I'm spread a little bit more. I hope I'm not gonna be stinking, because y'all know I can't always smell good. Oh, so hold on. So, you know what? Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take a few minutes and I'm gonna come back. No, I don't need to come back. Citrus smelling. Would I purchase this again? We're gonna see if the one from, if I bought the same one from TikTok. I'm hoping not. I'm hoping I got the orange one. I'm hoping I got a different scent. But yes, I love the packaging. The packaging is very feminine. I love it. So I wanted to share that with you guys. I hope this helps. But you know, everybody has their preferences when it comes to fragrances. I tend to like a clean smell. So I do like fragrances that have citrus. This has a lot of citrus. I mean, I feel like it does. If I'm walking around smelling like fruit, but anyway. The other one they're saying is soft, warm, and slightly sweet is what they were saying. So I must have ordered a different one. So anyway, thank you for stopping in, for watching this video with me. I feel like I'm kind of high. Do you think? Look, at the end of the video, I'm going to say I feel like I'm kind of high. Anywho, you guys, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to check your notifications as far as my videos. I don't know what's going on, but something's going on that I'm not getting the views that I normally get. So I feel like you guys are not being notified. So if you can check your notifications once more, please. And even if you have to hit the bell to undo it and then hit it again, then go back and hit all. So that way, okay, it's getting better. That way you're notified of every time I upload a video. So you know how I love to close out. I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.